In this guide, I'll show you how to remove a green screen in Davinci Resolve. So the first thing you want to do is select the effects icon in the top left corner, and then on the left sidebar, select Resolve FX. Now using the search bar at the top, type in 3D, and we're going to click and hold and drag the 3D key or effect onto your video clip with the green screen. So after you've done that, beneath your video player, you'll see this little box with a drop-down arrow. So click on the drop-down arrow and select Open FX Overlay. So after you've done that, now have a look to the right side of your screen where you'll see the 3D keyer. And what you want to do is select the color picker, and then you want to click on the green screen. So once you've done that, you'll see it immediately disappears. And if there's any green screen imperfections where you can still see it, use this despill option and increase the value until you can no longer see any of the green screen. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.